Want to know how to make a buy one get one coupon? I'm Poch from Intentionally Creative, the industry's leading liquor store niche marketing agency. So here on the left side, we'll start on the dashboard and we'll look for the promotions menu. From the promotions menu, let's click on discounts. Now, once we're on the discount menu, let's click on the plus icon here on the top right, and then let's click on create coupon. Now from here, you can give your coupon a name. You can only use 12 characters, by the way, so you can make it as short and sweet as possible. We can put there BOGO for buy one, get one. For the coupon description, you can put in the full name, so buy one, get one. Now for the discount amount, this is important. You just need to click on the dollar icon and make it percentage icon, and then put in 50%. This just means that since you're selling something at buy one, take one, it's basically discounted at 50% off. Now, for the order limit, you can put here an amount if there's a certain number of that product you want to sell, or you can leave it blank if there's no limit. Now, once you're done with that, click on Save and Continue. And you can click here all of the advanced options. So if it doesn't apply, just click on Save and Continue, Save and Continue, Save and Continue, Save and Continue. Now, one thing that may apply or should apply to you is the category and product. So let's just highlight that, and you'll be able to choose what product is under that promotion. So put in everything, put the product you'd like to set, and then click on Save and Continue. Now, once you reach the end, just click on Create, and your coupon should be good to go. Oh, so in this case, we already have an example. So once you're done, it should look like this. And you click on Save, you'd have that coupon ready to go, and you can toggle this on and off to turn that coupon on or off. For more City Hive tips and tricks, join our newsletter in the link below. If you're a liquor store looking to grow your online or in-store sales quickly, visit us at intentionallycreative.com.